Hey guys, welcome to my real estate video vlog. In this episode, we're going to talk about foreclosures. There's a lot of cracks in the economy. Interest rates have tripled over the past 12 months, and people want to know, are foreclosures on the rise? If this is your first time tuning into our real estate video vlog, don't forget you can always search homes for sale on our website where you can sort that list by foreclosures. You can also find off-market properties, things that haven't hit the market yet, if you want to beat out the competition. Okay, so the question of the day is, are foreclosures on the rise? And the answer is no. In 2021, there were 151,000 filings for foreclosures across the United States. Well, guess how many foreclosures there were back during the Great Recession? At the peak, there were 2.8 million foreclosure filings at the peak of the recession. So foreclosures are actually at an all-time low. Now, I would expect that over the next 12 to 24 months, we will see them rise, but it will be pretty insignificant compared to what we saw during the Great Recession in 2008 and 2009. Now, if you are looking for foreclosures, you do want to see the few that do exist. We can help you sort through all the different websites out there that send you tons and tons of properties and don't really help you, figure out which ones are actually in distress. So we can actually send you a very specific list of these foreclosures, so you don't have to spend countless hours trying to find them online. Just reach out to us via email or call us, and we'll send you a list of foreclosures and short sales. So those aren't actually foreclosures, but short sales are properties where the seller is selling the house for less than the loan balance, and the bank is willing to forgive that discrepancy in the loan balance. So let us know if you want to see a list of those. Thanks for tuning into our real estate video vlog. We'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.